Are you struggling to keep your blood sugar in check? Managing diabetes can be tough, but the right vitamins can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll reveal the top 3 must-have vitamins every diabetic should take to naturally control blood sugar and improve overall health. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share the best food sources for these vitamins and an easy way to include them in your diet. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips. The first essential vitamin is vitamin D. Studies show that people with diabetes often have low vitamin D levels, which can lead to higher blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. How it helps: improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, supports overall immune health. Best sources of vitamin D: sunlight. Try getting 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna, fortified dairy, or plant-based milk. If you're not getting enough from food or sunlight, consider a vitamin D3 supplement, 1,000 to 4,000 IU per day, based on doctor's advice. Next up, we have vitamin B12, a must for diabetics, especially those taking metformin, which can lead to B12 deficiency. How it helps: supports nerve health, prevents diabetic neuropathy, boosts energy levels, improves brain function. Best sources of vitamin B12: lean meats, chicken, beef, fish, and eggs. Dairy products. Vegetarians? No worries. You can get B12 supplements or fortified foods like nutritional yeast and plant-based milks. Finally, let's talk about vitamin C. Did you know that diabetics often have higher levels of oxidative stress? This can lead to complications like heart disease and slow healing. How it helps: Number 1, powerful antioxidant. It fights inflammation. Number 2, it supports heart health and blood circulation. Number 3, it helps improve our blood sugar levels. The best sources of vitamin C are berries like strawberries or blueberries, citrus fruits, oranges or lemons, and leafy greens or bell peppers. Some studies suggest 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily may help diabetics, but always consult your doctor before taking supplements. Now, you know the top 3 vitamins every diabetic must take to naturally control blood sugar and stay healthy. Which of these vitamins do you already take? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips.